Meet the Miller family. For over 20 years, Paul and Natalie lived in their family home in Florida, but over time, the homeowners' insurance prices made the home that was affordable just a couple of years ago now unaffordable due to price increases, and the cost of living was out of their budget. They decided that it was time to move and found a suburb outside of Atlanta, Georgia, as a nearby option that was much less catastrophe-prone and tends to have lower homeowners' insurance prices. After they sold their Florida home and moved into their new home in Georgia, they thought that they at least could feel like they would have more predictable pricing on homeowners insurance. One day in their new home in Georgia, a pipe in the wall ruptured and their floors were covered in water, and the damage was very bad. Luckily, Paul filed a claim and their homeowner's insurance company had contractors repair the damage and the pipe was replaced so that it would not leak again. A few months later, a different pipe in the wall ruptured and their floors were covered in water and the damage was even worse, right in the area they just replaced. Luckily, Natalie filed a claim and their homeowner's insurance company had contractors repair the damage and the problem pipe was replaced so that it would not leak again. And then, it happened again. The Miller family then realized they had bought a home with recalled plumbing that was under a class action lawsuit. While they wished they had found out sooner, the good news was that the plumbing manufacturer replaced all the plumbing in the entire home. The Millers thought, well, it's like a brand new house now, and felt relief that life could go back to normal. One afternoon, Natalie opened her mail and found a notice of non-renewal due to high-risk homeowners insurance characteristics. Their insurance company was refusing to renew their policy. After speaking with their agent, it did not matter to their carrier that the claims were completely out of their control and fully remedied. Their new plumbing was not good enough for the insurance company. Their agent advised that he would find them another policy, but after exhausting all his resources, he told the Miller family he was out of options to insure their home. Paul and Natalie were more stressed now than they were during the claims. They searched online for homeowners insurance and were declined over and over again. The process felt a lot like they were working against a system that has shut them out, and, even worse, one that was automated and without an agent that could work with an underwriter. They felt hopeless, but they knew they were not alone. Claims happen to everyone, and since they knew that they couldn't be the only ones having this problem, and surely logic and reason can prevail, with the right agent approach, of course. They knew there must be a service for matching homeowners with agents that know how to handle high-risk homeowners insurance. That's when they found HomeinsuranceAlternatives.com, and they were paired up with an agent that could work one-on-one with an underwriter to insure their home. A few days later, they had a new policy with excellent coverage, and the stress was finally behind them. The Miller family learned that the solution wasn't submitting quote requests with dozens of agents, it was about finding the right agent. Take it from the Miller family. Save yourself the trouble and go to HomeinsuranceAlternatives.com for quotes from a specialist today.